All right, guys, welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the title, I'm just going to be going over my trades that I took yesterday, and that I did call out to my community right here. It's totally free, as you see. Yesterday, I bought NQ. I tagged everyone, saw my execution, and then my first trade right here, I actually didn't call this one out. So right here, I'm going to go, let's go back in replay mode. Okay. So what we have here is, okay, here, let me go to the 15-minute time frame. All right, so right here we have a 15-minute fair value gap that has been respected multiple times and then shot down. So overall, I am obviously bullish in the market, but come open, I was either waiting for price to sweep one of these lows right here, and then tap into this order block right here to continue up. Ultimately, that's what I was waiting for. But as you see, we got market open and then we shot up. Not only did we shoot up, we left this gap right here, as well as all this liquidity down here. So we came up, we tapped here perfectly. I didn't enter initially right there. I entered at this candle right here. And then I put my stop loss originally right above this candlestick right here. And then price decided to really consolidate. So, I mean, there's multiple times you could have entered. These purple lines right here are just creating bearish SMTs to continue down. Right here, as soon as we swept these lows, I went break even, just in case this was the liquidity to continue up. I wasn't gonna risk anything anymore. So right here was my final TP, and as you see, we smashed that. And then I was ultimately waiting for price to, we filled this gap now, the opening gap. I was waiting for some type of liquidity right here. And we didn't really, did we get it? Hold on. Yeah, we didn't really get it. But what we got was all this accumulation, and then we also got right here, or not accumulation, we got all this consolidation, and then right here we had this fib zone. So I had right here marked up 750.25, 750.25 right here. Oops, I changed my screen to black because it's just a lot. I don't know, but I'm kind of not liking it. I'm not gonna lie. I might go back to white and change everything back up. It's kind of hard to see everything this way, but I was waiting for, so since we kind of like consolidated right here, created all this, then we shot up, we broke structure right here. And since we did sweep these, we filled this gap, we swept this liquidity, we did sweep some type of liquidity. I was waiting for price to come back here, and then we shoot back up. And then once we broke these highs, I would go break even. And so we get tapped in right there, and that's when I called out the buys for everybody. And then unfortunately we shot up. I should have went break even right here, but I feel like that was a little too soon with how much we've been consolidating. So I just kind of left it as is. And then what happened? We got stopped out, but we did sweep this original liquidity like I wanted, and we tapped this order block right here. And so I was waiting for another kind of break of structure, which we got. Boom. I entered again right there at the retest. So once again, we had a break of structure. We had the fib. We didn't quite tap the 618, but we balanced it out at the 50%. So right here, should have entered right here, but that's okay. I waited for a little extra confirmation, and then right here is where I entered. And then we went break even right there. This was the most brutal break even trade I think I've had in a long time. I knew this bitch was going to go up. We had lots of liquidity up here. We had higher time frame. We had a 1 hour. We had 15 right here. Oh, wait, right here. 1 hour, 15, 15. We just had so much. We have a lot of liquidity up here. We're overall bullish. So, I mean, I knew we were going up. And then look at this break even. It was actually so brutal. I thought we were going to go up because we inversed this 15 minute at this point. So I was like, oh, okay. We inverse, tapped in. And then I was like, okay, that's fine. We did sweep liquidity right here. So I was like, okay, we're going to continue up. But instead, price literally tapped us. Tapped us. Did we hit that 618 though? Ooh, look, I didn't even notice that until now. We tapped perfectly at that original 618 right there. So that's pretty brutal. Didn't re-enter just because, I don't know, I was like 3 trades really. I didn't call this one out, but these 2 I called out. I'll show you right here. Right here. I re-entered the longs. Boom. And then, yeah. Yep. And then price did eventually go up and hit our full take profit, which is very unfortunate. And then if you even look even further, this is actually what kind of ticks me off so much too. Look at all this. This trade won. This trade break even again. I mean, look, this thing just shot up. We took out previous day's highs right here. Previous London session. I mean, we just kept shooting up. Shit is crazy. So, yeah. That was today, guys. I just got taken out at break even on this one as well. It's just kind of a break even day, my guy. I just got taken out break even right here. I mean, look at this consolidation. This is disgusting. So, yeah, that was my trades for the day. I'll show you right here. Right here, we're up halfway on this 50K account for NASDAQ, or NASDAQ, for Top Step. Let's see if we're logged in here. We're up 2,800 right there. So we're still looking good, but fuck, man. That was a brutal break even. I'm very proud of myself for not chasing this shit, though, because this was actually fucking with me a little bit, but not as much as it usually does. So I was actually very happy. But yeah, guys, that's the trade breakdown for last night during Asia session. If you guys have any questions, just comment down below. Or if you want, just join the free Discord community. It's completely free. I also do a lot of giveaways for free accounts on there. So join up if you guys want to. Like I said, it's totally free. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.